fit. Got them C28s though.
Hey, busy? Can you hold this real quick? Here. No, try to clamp it down. So this truck actually came from Pasadena Speed Shop. One of their customers. They kind of subcontract me as, you know, the fabricator to knock out some few things. I've already done, I think, 4 trucks for them.
That's my side of town.
Pasadena.
Hey.
What's cool about what we do? Like I said, we do a little bit of variety of everything. You know what I mean? Like, we just had the Ferrari here. We finished that up. They loved it. Europower. They're 88. These are forced induction. I think the owner, Jose Zayas, they used to be on another customer's truck that I did here. That's where these turbos came from. And I think this is his brother's truck. So his brother bought these turbos from him, and then the turbos that came off of that car originally, I sold them to his brother. So yeah, it's like a. So now I'm mounting these bad boys on this truck here, so it should make some good power.
What's the rough estimate?
To be honest with you, I don't know. I think they're gonna try to make like 1,400. Yeah, pretty crazy. For this build here, we're using Vibrant from air-to-air force. So he wants to kind of keep it streetable. A lot of these guys here, especially down in Texas, everyone kind of drives trucks. So my first actual shop vehicle was a truck, 14 GMC Sierra that had turbocharged. That's kind of how I originally started the business, promoting that truck. No, I'm just trying to plan like the route. I'm gonna hit the other turbo, but I'm just trying to see, because that side's open. I'm not worried about that side this time, because you got the master cylinder.
Alright, you gonna see me fuck the tinder up.
off with that point?
Measurements off the other one.
Ah, you just copied it?
Yeah.
What were you measuring
4
from?
inches in,
Okay.
8 1/4 up, 7 5/8 from this one straight line. The point straight, 7 5/8.
Very hot. What?
Want to tell them last night what happened while you were doing this?
Oh, the torch, or the actual lead-in, pretty much almost caught on fire. Well, looks like the torch might have got a little too hot. Melted the main one.
Hey, bless this, that's just still hot.
Yeah, it's old. It served its purpose, obviously. Whatever.
That bitch is hot.
Oh, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot. What's up?
That's for the intercooler, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just getting to the edges I can't get to with the belt handle. This is the bottom portion of the intercooler. So you'll see it whenever I get everything nice and cleaned up. I'll start marking my corners and then.
So I told Jose that I'll get a tattoo if we don't have 100,000 subscribers in 2 years. He gets to pick it.
Yeah.
But what happens if we do have it? Do I get to pick your tattoo?
Oh, mine?
Yeah.
Like, no.
Nope. You're not doing that.
I'm gonna get you just to YouTube the logo. Sick.